Like pumpkin pie? Oh, do you like, what's it called? Sweet potato pie. Let's make a pumpkin pie sweet potato.
Ooh.
So what we're going to do here, we're going to start off, we've got our sweet potatoes. And you can do up to 4 with this recipe. We're just going to do 2 because there's the 2 of us. We've preheated our oven to 425 degrees. We're going to poke a lot of holes in these guys, and then we're going to bake them for anywhere between 45 to 55 minutes. Our baked potatoes are finished. We're now going to take these and we're going to cut them open in half. And they are still very, very hot. And we're going to scoop out the insides. Once you get the insides out, we're just going to kind of smash that down just a tad bit. To get that mashed a little bit, we're going to put in there 2 tablespoons of butter. One-fourth a teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now this recipe will give you, oops. I have no idea where I was going with that. How about you? And I'm just going to mix this all together. All right, we have that mixed all together. We're now going to start a little streusel. So we're going to start off with, we're going to have 1/4 a cup of flour. To that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Two tablespoons of butter. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I'm just going to take the same old fork. I'm just going to kind of mix that in all together. To our mixture, we're now going to add 3/4 cup of chopped pecans. Just going to mix that together. And while that's working, we're going to take our oven and we're going to put it at 350 degrees. It's not going to take very long. It's a nice messy process. All right, we're going to take our baked potatoes, put it back on our baking sheet. This recipe over here, if you take a look right there, we have a little bit of apple left. We made an apple and cranberry stuffed baked potato as well. Please give it a try. It's really tasty. We're going to take and stick our sweet potato filling back inside. We're going to top it with our crumble. And the crumble's going to be pretty sticky. We have our 350 degree oven, and now we're going to bake this for anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes. All right, our potatoes are done. Look at that beautiful streusel on top of that. You have got to give this recipe a try. Oh, look at that pumpkin. What is that, pumpkin pie? No, pecan pie. It's a pecan pie stuffed sweet potato. Give it a try.